Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. Let's look at this API. Once we start looking at it, we already have assumptions of how it works. We assume there's going to be a new user created, and we assume that it will return us a status code of tool1 created when it works. If it doesn't work, we expect some error code, and we also expect the so-called user not to infiltrate our system. Either we know it, feel it, or maybe have a premonition. We have an expectation about this behavior. And we can translate this expectation into an assertion. Every automated test has one at least. Either assertion or an expect term. We have an expectation and we want to see if we're right. And if we're surprised, well, probably the actual caller in production will also be surprised, right? But have you ever gone into testing a system without knowing how it's going to behave? I'm sure you've downloaded an app you didn't use before into your phone and started using it without reading the manual, because who reads the manual? And you made your way through it and maybe saw a couple of videos on YouTube and you finally figured it out. In testing, we call that exploration. You learn what the system is doing by using it. And when we do, sometimes we'll feel great, and sometimes we'll feel surprised, and sometimes we'll even feel angry. That's exploration. When we're doing exploration, that means we can't write an assertion because we don't know what to expect. That means we can't automate exploration. We can automate part of exploration. We can get to a part where everything's ready to be explored, or fill up a database automatically with the data so we can actually continue from there. But there will be no assert. And that's the difference between exploration and checking. Checking means we're checking that something behaves as we expect. Exploration means that we're learning how the system behaves. Put these two together, exploration and checking, and you get testing. That's all for today. Thank you for coming and watching this video. If you liked it, like, subscribe, leave me some comments down below, and see you next time.